In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom domain in your system.io account. So first of all, you need to sign in into your system account, and then you need to click here on the top right side, and then you need to select the option settings. Once you do this, on the left hand side, you will find an option here which is custom domains. Then you need to click here, and here you will find a list of all the domains that you have. Let me show you how you do that. So you need to click plus icon here, and then here you need to type the domain name. So for the domain name, this is the domain on Namecheap that I want to add, which is crediblecreation.com. So I'm just gonna come here and make sure that you write www dot before, and then domain name, and then .com, and then you click save. Just need to wait a bit as it is saving. It's taking more time than it should. But anyways, here are the two CNAME records that you now need to add into advanced DNS of your domain. So how do you do that? This is a technical part, so you need to keep watching it and just pay attention, because many people go wrong here and they make mistakes. What are the mistakes they make? I'm going to show you that as well. So first of all, let's go into the advanced DNS. So here in Namecheap, you need to click manage. By the way, if you don't use Namecheap, and if you use any other platform like GoDaddy or any other, you can do the same there as well. This is pretty much the same process. I'm just using Namecheap. Then you need to come advanced DNS, where you can add the records. And once you click advanced DNS, now here you need to add the CNAME record. So let me add it. So first CNAME record, because we need to add two CNAME records. Now for the host, we go back to system account. Here we just need www for the host. Many people, they make mistake and they copy the whole domain and put it into host, and this is why they don't approve it. I'm like, this is the process. So you need to just copy www dot, not just dot, but www, and then you need to put here. And then for the target, you need to copy this whole value here in front, and then you come back here and then you paste it here, and then you just save changes. So this is the one record is added. Now we need to add another record. So I will click add another record, and then I will go into CNAME record as well and select a CNAME. And then for the host of this time, what you need to select is this value before the dot. You don't need to select crediblecreation.com again. You just need to select before, and then you need to put it into host. And then for the target, it's same. You need to put everything that is here. You need to put it here, and then in the target, and then you just need to click OK here as well, save changes. And now the record have been saved, or it's just loading. Let me wait a couple of seconds. Yeah, it's saved now. Now we go back to our system account, and this is showing pending validation here. But we have done the right thing now, and I'm just gonna pause the video for a few minutes and see if it is approved, and I'll come back. Here we go, guys. I've just waited about like half an hour, and finally, this is, I think it's gonna be ready now. So let's reload it. Yes, here we go. You can see now it is ready to use, and we can now use this domain with any of our funnels. So this is the easy step-by-step process. Go ahead and add your domain.